Hi everybody and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. And this is Car.
And this is Mel.
Hey Car.
Hey Mel.
Hey, speaking of places to be.
And cool places to be, we are visiting friends at Midnight
Science
Club.
Woohoo!
Woo woo!
Alright.
So what's with all the random...
You know, I found these things in my home.
I mean, I'm pretty sure I have a bunch of these in a junk drawer.
Yeah.
But what?
Oh,
okay.
So I found this little plastic, dollar store.
Right.
You know,
Or
and
just something that you can recycle.
Yeah, there's something you can do at home. You don't have nothing to do. Want to do something fun. So I have a glue gun, but you can definitely use regular white glue.
Okay, you just use a lot of it, maybe let it sit a little longer.
So you just glue on it, put glue, stick it on, and you can place these any way you want. And I found whatever was in my house. I got some hex nut.
Okay. Looks like straw pieces.
Q-tips.
Half a Q-tip.
Yep. Earplugs.
Okay. And obviously you
marble.
have a
Yep. I had like a whole box of marble, and I just chose a few. You can use all three if you want, and try to maneuver them.
Okay, so you could actually like make your own challenges, like don't touch the Q-tip, and touch each earplug or whatnot. Or I see a lot of straw pieces here. You can make like an actual like maze with like false corners and a beginning and an end. Okay,
and if you want like a start and an end, you can actually get a pen.
You just write
marker,
start.
just put start and an arrow or something, and that's where you start. And you have to.
And you can use anything. So I could use like safety pins, and
clothes pins, anything that'll cause some blockage like this to stop. So I got a paper plate here because I found this. So you can even use a paper plate too and glue this.
So it doesn't have to be a hard tray like this. It could literally be anything
be
in the
box.
kitchen. Okay. So I think since we have all these extra pieces, I want to lay out like a maze.
You can. That's what I brought these extras for. These all are for you.
And see kind of how complicated or how simple I can make a maze. Well, very cool. Such a simple activity, and it's stuff that I would definitely have in my junk drawer. Guys, if you liked this idea as much as I did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more. We'll see you next time.
Bye.